Hello students, I want to show you how to find career contacts on Handshake. So you can use the web version because it's a little bit harder on the app, but on the website pfw.joinhandshake.com you can go to employers and then connect directly. You can type something in like Good Market, Fort Wayne local place. So you can click on it right there. If you follow them, you'll be notified in your notifications up here every time they post a job or they're coming to a local event on campus. If you click on the employer name itself, you can see more information like their website, public email, and then you can also see like students who've worked here. So you can actually message people directly through Handshake. They would have to have their notifications on probably to see that information, but you could give it a try. Or you could just call that phone number or email the people right through there. When they do have a job posted, sometimes you can reach out to somebody directly. So here's a job posted, and look, Harry Cunningham is the person that's actually hiring, so you can send him a message through Handshake right there. Like, I'm wondering if you have 5 minutes to chat about this and see if I'm a good fit. You can also use this employer page to, maybe you don't know the exact employer you're looking for, but there are some things that you care about. For example, location. You can put in Fort Wayne and then how far away from Fort Wayne you would like to go, within 50 miles or within 100 miles. Notice this is a national website, so you could put Atlanta or Quebec, some other information there. And then let's say you're doing a project in your marketing class where you have to interview local retail employers. So look, here's a big old list of different retail in Fort Wayne, Indiana. You find one you're interested in, like Hoosier Harley Davidson. And then look, there's a website, there's a phone number, there's a person to email right there. So I would encourage you to put a little bit of time and effort into using the filters and using great professional wording. Make sure you tell somebody who you are and what you want in a professional way. For example, my name is Meg. I'm a marketing major at Purdue Fort Wayne. I have a class project where I need to interview a retail manager. Could I please have 30 minutes of your time? I'll buy you a coffee or I'll meet you on Zoom. Hope that's helpful.